Parents ask how the screens are safe. They think that the screen, social media, video game is actually not safe at all. It putting their children at lot of risk, and which is true. There are a lot of inappropriate material out there on social media. There are a lot of violence out there in social media. So when I say that they feel safe on the social media, that's what I mean. So in the real life, if you make a friend, and let's say that friend is from school, and if friend says something that you don't like, it's not that you just unfriend them right away. It's very, it takes time, because you have to spend the whole 2 3 years. Yes. So it may take some more efforts to distance yourself from person that you don't like. Similarly, let's say you are going out, you are going on a vacation, and you met someone. You don't make the new friends, and especially the stranger friend, just by meeting them, unless you know them in detail. You find out about them, and you see how they are in line with the values that you are in. But let's say on the social media, let's say you got a request on Facebook or Instagram. You say, oh, they posted the similar kind of pictures. They look good on what they are showing on the Facebook, their comments, what the other people are posting about them. It seems okay. So you are likely chance to make them friend. As compared in the real world, a lot of things are involved before you make any friend. But on the virtual world, there's a likely chance, because you like some of the thing on their Facebook or Instagram, you're likely to make them friend. And if they make any comment that you don't like, you can just unfriend them. In a real life, you cannot just simply unfriend them. So that's where the social media become very safe. And you can see in real life, it's very hard to say some of the really meaningful comments that people are posting on the social media. Just look at cyberbullying. Before, when these social media things were not there, kids were getting bullied, but the impact was not that much, that everyone in the school now, even the school district now, because of these, the TikTok or the videos or the social media, and people are posting comments of very, derogatory comments, very hurtful comments, without realizing it, because that person is not in front of them. So they feel safe making friends, they feel safe make unfriending them, and they feel safe in you know expressing very hurtful comments to it without realizing it. So that's why it becomes more safe on the social media. So it's important, again, for as a parents, to remind our children how it can impact other person's feeling, and again provide some platform where they can feel safe, where they can learn how to express their feeling, where they can learn how to, if things are more uncomfortable, how they can express their frustration, their sadness, their the jokes and all that stuff, rather than doing it just on the social media. So it's very important as a parent to create those platforms where our children are feeling seen, as I mentioned, feeling soothed, and feeling safe.